Someone asked me a question last week about leverage. Specifically, how can you build a negotiating strategy for a supplier if you don't have any leverage? So I asked the person to define leverage, and the answer I got back was really interesting. He said, man, leverage, something you can use to put some pressure on them, force them to give you what you want. So I said, how about putting a gun to their head? And he said, yeah, okay. You mean like threaten to file a formal complaint with their executive team, or maybe hold back payment on their next invoice? I said, no, I mean walk into their office and put an actual gun to someone's head, or threaten to blow up their building, or maybe kidnap one of their executives to force them to give you what you want. You see, what you're asking for isn't leverage, it's a hostage situation. Because anytime you start forcing a supplier to give you what you want, you're not negotiating anymore. Now you're fighting. You're trading shots, and 9 times out of 10, when a procurement person starts trading shots with the supplier, they've grossly underestimated the number of bullets they have, and they usually end up losing. Think of how many times a supplier made a call to some senior executive in your company, and the next thing you know, you're being told you're no longer needed to get the deal done, or maybe you're told to accept the supplier's proposal and just move on. What's worse is that if this happens a few times, then suddenly your internal clients are going to start going around you and cutting hallway deals directly with the supplier, leaving you to rubber stamp contracts and issue purchase orders. The big misconception about leverage, especially in technology negotiation, is this notion that the side with the biggest stick is going to hit the hardest. But the reality is that real leverage comes from how firm the foundation is that you're standing on. It's like swinging a baseball bat while standing on the beach in really soft sand. Unless the ground beneath you is solid, you're going to have a very weak, ineffective swing. Same thing with negotiations. If you want leverage, make sure you have a strong foundation. And that foundation is made up of 3 things. Number 1, your requirements. Spend some time making sure you have a crystal clear understanding of your side's business requirements and what specific problem the supplier's solution is intending to solve. Number 2, your options. Do a BATNA exercise and make sure you have a really good understanding of your worst case scenario. Also, try to put yourself in the supplier's shoes and see if you can figure out their BATNA as well. And number 3, your team. Identify your negotiating team and make sure you communicate with them so that everyone understands their role in the negotiation. So your requirements, your options, and your team. That's the solid ground you need to stand on, and it's from there that you're going to create leverage in your negotiations. I cover all of this and a whole lot more in my negotiation workshop. I have a few more cohorts starting on April 3rd. It's 1 hour a week for 7 weeks and a live video conference with me. Or you can reach out to me directly if you want to discuss something more bespoke for your team.